Available millets in northeastern region of Bharat and its benefit in nutrition, midday meal MDM, ANGANWADIS and take-home RAASHAN HAIBA HIRAMda NUMIT NINI CHATHAGADABA Northeast Regional Convention among Ngasi Manipur Governor Anusuiya Uikey na HOUNABI matung ina Houdokhre. Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal National Commission of Protection of Child Rights NCPCR New Delhi ga khutsam nana sinduna University asigi Central Agricultural University da pangthokiba hodopagi thoram aduda Governor Anusuiya Uikey na stall sing yengsin kibaga loinana hakchang phaba punsirol amagidamak saruk yariba sing na puthokliba millet ke pothok sing adugi matangda thagat pafongdokhe. Thoram aduga mari leinana Governor Anusuiya Uikey hai millet ke demand ase hengalakpana maram oiraga demand sing ase matau karamna thengnagadage haibado khanabage tangai fadaba leire. Leibag asigi puwaridagi hauna nat kayada millet ase khwaidagi maru oiba chinjak ama oina sizinaramba thengnare. Millet ase mamang thaktadi lairaba singge chinjak oina khanarami adum oinamak ngasidi millet na hakchang da piriba kanaba sing ase khangnarakpadagi 5-star hotel sing yauna achouba mafam sing da paktakna na sizinaba thengnare. Millet chabana pikliba angang sing da brain phagat hanbada natana masa mau fana laina bahot nabada chauna mateng pangle. Ngasi pangthokliba thoram asina millet bu hena chaukat hanana bahot nabada amadi productivity lehanana bahot nabada chauna mateng panglagani. Millet ki kana basing asibu sakhangbo aina Government of India na kumja inglisingani supna taranipan ase National Year of Millets haina lauthokibada natana United Nations General Assembly gitaret suba station da kumja inglisingani supna kunhumdoi ase International Year of Millets haina lauthokrabani haina su Governor Anusuiya Uikey na makatana phongdokhe. Ngasi thoram aduda CAU ge Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra, College of Food Technology CAU ge Dean Dr. NG Iboyaima, MCPCR ge Chairman Kaisham Pradeep Kumar, Department of Social Welfare ge Director NG Uttam, NCPCR ge Senior Technical Expert Saista K Shaha amadi CAU ge College of Agriculture ge Dean Professor Indita Sarangtem na maru oiba metung lensing oina sarugyakhe.